Hey guys, welcome to the Urban Palette Kitchen. I'm Chef Marcee, and today I'll be making my cheesy creamed corn recipe, one of my favorites. I like this recipe because the corn actually has some bite and it isn't all like one texture. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. In my pan, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. After that, I'll add some onion and garlic. But if you notice to the side, I have some corn in a bowl. I did not use already creamed corn out of a can. I used whole corn kernels. That's very important. I seasoned my onions and my garlic with my Citrus Mojito blend, and I added a tablespoon of butter. Make sure you guys head over to my website and make your purchase of my Citrus Mojito blend. After that, I added some whole corn kernels, and all I did was open the can, drain it, rinse it off a little bit, and then I put it in a bowl. So once I do that, I season my kernels with a little bit more of the citrus seasoning, and I saute it a little bit. I add some heavy cream and milk. It's a blend, and I mix that in next. And then I add some Gruyere cheese, shredded, and that's really, really good. I like that cheese. I actually use it a lot. And then I add some Munster cheese, and I like that because it's actually very stringy and it melts very well. Make sure you use cheeses that melt very well. And then I add 1/3 cup of cream cheese, and I stir to combine. So now you just want to make sure that everything is melted and blended in. That's the next step. And I re-season because I've only been using a little bit at a time. And if you haven't noticed, I haven't used any salt and pepper yet. So now that everything is mixed, I take a little bit of a slurry, which is a cornstarch and water mix, and I added it until it's thickened. And you see how fast it thickens, so you got to keep an eye on it. It will thicken rather quickly. So at this stage right here, I do check the seasoning, and I add what I like to call OG seasoning, which is salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And then I re-season a little bit more of the Citrus Mojito blend. And I mix it all in, make sure it stays in a decent consistency, not too thick but not too thin. And then I add it to my serving bowl. And you guys see over there to the side, I have some chopped parsley. And I also garnish it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I serve it as a side dish. I did serve it with my smothered chicken. That recipe is up right now too, so go ahead over and watch that video. Subscribe and like to my channel, and when you got some time, head on over to my website, chefmarcee.com, and I'll see you guys later. Leave some comments below for any recipes that you want to see next. Adios, amigo.